My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the pop-up windows that are coming from the site greenadblocker.com. Currently, these pop-ups may attack German computers, and computers in other countries are targeted by these alerts as well. The real mission of these alerts is to actually hijack your browser with an unwanted browser extension called Green Blocker. The developers indicate that by installing the extension you will be able to block some of the ads on your browser. But in reality, the majority of such third-party extensions instead display a lot of ads and cause unwanted redirections to random websites. So I strongly advise you to be very careful not to install these Green Blocker or Ad Cleaner extension, and if the extension was installed by mistake, you'll experience a lot of problems. When you submit some search queries, you may notice that the results are no longer delivered by Google search, but rather by some unfamiliar search engine. And you may see even more ads than before installing the extension. So to get rid of any suspicious extensions like that, go to the menu, click on More Tools, choose Extensions. Then you need to disable this extension and remove the extension completely to fix your browser. Finally, I would also recommend that you carefully examine your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may go to the official page combocleaner.com, then download the software, install the application, and begin checking your computer with this program. And it will help you to establish other threats that could be possibly hidden on your system. So after the antivirus database is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan and begin the analysis of your device. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and at the end of scan you can see the full summary of all threats that were found on your Mac computer during the scan. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. This shows you the full number of threats, but when you click on Review Results you can see the names of these threats and their detection by the majority of security programs. And what's more important is that you may get the exact location of each specific threat. So you may go to this location of threat on your Mac computer and get rid of this threat one at a time, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of Combo Cleaner in order to get your Mac fully protected against all further possible threats, adware, browser hijackers, and other sorts of malware from attacking your Mac computer.